Hey guys, one of the big mistakes people make in the cryptocurrency space is that they conflate, they mix up, they assume that the tokens or the coins are actually the blockchain. They are not. Ripple coins are not the Ripple blockchain. Ethereum coins are not the Ethereum blockchain. The blockchain is the underlying technology that generates the coins. So people are buying these coins assuming that they're going to be adopted, Ripple's going to be adopted, Ethereum is going to be adopted. Well, it could be that the Ethereum blockchain tech will be adopted or the Ripple blockchain tech will be adopted, but they're certainly not going to be using the Ethereum coins in circulation or the Ripple coins in circulation. Why? Why would they? When a bank, for example, decides that they're going to utilize blockchain technology to do an easy exchange of money amongst its clients, why would they pay you a premium for these coins? It makes no sense. They will create their own very, very quickly and for nothing. You see, if I was a bank, if I was a huge bank, Stef Bank, killer bank, I would issue my killer coins based on Ethereum technology. And, I could generate 10 billion of those coins very easily. Just change the algo. Bang, I got 10 billion unique coins. And I say each coin is worth $1. And that's it. That's my version of Ethereum. Killer coins based on the Ethereum blockchain database. And Bob's your uncle, away we go. So I think a lot of young nerdlings, well, non-nerds, a lot of people getting involved in this, they have no idea about the blockchain tech. I don't claim to be an expert about everything, but I'm telling you, you just got to use business sense. Why would a bank pay you for your Ethereum coins when they could just generate their own? And how do you know? How do I know that they can generate their own? Because every 2 seconds somebody comes up with their own cryptocurrency or their own fork. It isn't that hard to do. So why would they use yours? Short answer, they won't. So the coins, the reason they're going up is because people are confused about it, and they confused about what all this is about, in my opinion, because you got most of the people involved in this market are 18 to 35-year-old guys. So these are people who have hardly any finance experience at all, and most of them don't know much about tech either. They're not software developers. They don't understand databases. They don't understand any of this thing. So the coins could go up because of speculative mania, just like people went after Cabbage Patch dolls or people went after tulips, But I'm telling you right now, the adoption of any of these cryptocurrency blockchains, basically whether it be the Ethereum blockchain or Ripple blockchain or some variant, they're not going to use your Ethereum tokens. Why would they? They just create their own. They don't need to pay you anything. Keep that in mind. Bye-bye.